Hey everybody, welcome to AL Pro Tips, a Learn from the Pros mini-series. For today's tip, Ryan Winter, owner of Alpine Custom Hardscape, will be showing us an easy tip to hide waterfall foam in your waterfall construction. Take it away, Ryan.
Right when this foam just gets a little tacky, you don't want to do it right away because then the foam's just going to bubble up out of there. And you'll take some dirt and you'll kind of pat it into your foam. And the water is going to, wash away all this loose dirt. What you're going to be left with is dirt that's stuck to the top of your foam and keep your waterfall looking nice and natural.
We really appreciate this tip from Ryan of Alpine Custom Hardscape. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from this season's build. Interested in learning more about this AL Pro tip? Check out our blog at atlanticwatergardens.com/blog for more information.